Today's treat is a 10 watt 500 lumen flashlight power bank. 1 to 200x zoom. Power bank's right behind here. There's a zoom, it has a lens in there. Charging up the flashlight, it's really cool, you don't need batteries. There's a battery in here, you just keep charging up over and over. You plug this micro USB cable in. There you go. Small end there, large end into the wall. Bam. Charging up. When you want to use it as a power bank, just reverse the cables. And my phone. Oh, here it is. Yep, I'm back. Samsung S7. Way you go. Charging up right now. You're done. Pull it out there. 3 modes of intensity. Let's walk you out in here. This is about 5.5, 6 feet. It's on full zoom. Here it is, full zoom in here, 200x. Does have a wide breadth and display. The diameter on the wall from here, about 6 feet away, 12 feet. This is mode number 1. This is a lower mode. The camera's strobing a little bit, but I'm not detecting any of that on the wall. Here's your blinding SWAT, strobe, SOS signal. And then finally it's off. This is a nice rechargeable flashlight power bank. Alright, like and subscribe. Oh, and our YouTube channel is now Electronic Goldmine. This is a note. We're posting all the videos on Electronic Goldmine. So if you're seeing this video, look in one of the corners and hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, have a great weekend.